Okay, everybody, good Saturday morning. 256 garage here. We've got the old coupe Mustang that we used to drag race back 7-8 years ago, I guess. Back when Justin run a junior dragster. That's how long ago it's been. He's been out of a junior dragster for 5 years. And we probably quit racing this a couple years while he was still in a junior dragster. I guess the last time it was run was down there at Montgomery in bracket finals. $2012 maybe? Something like that. I can't remember when we started going to Memphis, but it was down there in Montgomery. I actually won a race down there with it. It was a gambler's race, but hey, our gambler's first round loser's race, but hey, we won the race. We brought it back, put it in the shop, pulled the insides out of it, put a roll cage in it, got the roll cage welded in it. Something happened, sat in the shop for a few years, back surgery. Well, it got pushed out of the shop and just pushed in the weeds. You can see the leaves and everything in it. We got the other door inside the shop. Well, it got pushed out there and just been sitting. Paint's getting in bad shape. We went 5-lug suspension on the front and we started going on the back, but like I said, life happened, I guess. Well, now we're getting it back out. We've actually got it in the dry here for the last few weeks. But we're fixing to load it up on a trailer, carry it out there to the 256 shop in Geraldine. We've got a brand new tubular K member to go in it, front suspension. Justin's fixing to buy some new wheels for it. We're fixing to finish putting the 5-lug in the rear end, do C-clip eliminators. First, we're going to load it up on the trailer and carry it to the car wash and clean everything out of the cracks and crannies, pressure wash it off and see how everything still is. Get the insides all cleaned out. Drake's got a motor getting built. We're thinking about putting it in it, make a few passes in it to kind of see what his motor's going to do. But this should be some interesting videos with this car, so keep on the lookout for them. Alright, we're getting her loaded up on the trailer. If you ain't got a winch, you make a winch. We're using the tractor to pull it on. And there it is up on the trailer. Get her strapped down where it won't go nowhere. Might need to roll back just a little, but it's on there. Now to the car wash. Okay, we got the Mustang up here at Geraldine. Got it on the frame machine. Stopped by and pressure washed it, cleaned out the insides. Now we got it up here on the frame machine. We can start pulling this K member. We've got a tubular K member, coilovers and everything to go on it. So we're going to start this week on, or next week on, pulling all that out and changing it. Getting this thing insides cleaned up and painted, roll cage painted. So keep a check on it. There'll be more videos to come on this one. See you next time on 256 Garage. Got the lowering springs on it. So you can drive around the block.
Can you ride the back out to the street?
Watch how this thing zooms.
Huh?
Come here and watch how it zooms.
You can still see it, it's just not zooming. Try it now. Oh, perfect timing.
Back out a little bit more.